This is the second video in discovering Pascal's triangle. Here we're going to apply it to foiling polynomials. Notice on the left I have Pascal's triangle that we used in the previous video. If you've not watched the previous video, please stop this recording and go back and watch the Discovering Pascal's Triangle. Notice Pascal's triangle on the left. Our example on the right is a plus b to the 6th power. Notice that on the left I have a 0 row, a 1, a 2, 3, and a 4. We're looking for a 6th, so we're going to have to extend this pattern 2 more rows. So on the right side I've done that. Notice on the previous video I asked you what's the next row going to be, and we decided that it would be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1. Our next row we're going to continue on, bring down the 1, and then add to write down the next remaining terms. So 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, and bring down the 1. These are the coefficients to my terms when I FOIL. So let's plug it in. Notice I start with a 1. I start with my first letter, notice it's an A, and I take it to the highest power possible, which is 6. Then I use my B from up here and take it to the smallest power possible, which is to the 0 power. So I have 1A to the 6th, B to the 0. Then I add my second coefficient. Then I add my A to the next power down, and my B to the next power up. Then I use 15, A to the next power down, B to the next power up, 20, A with 1 up, B with 1 to the right. Excuse me, 1 up. Next, I go to the next line because I've run out of room, plus 15, A to the 2nd, which is 1 down from 3, B to the 4th, which is 1 up from 3. 6, A to the 1st, which is 1 down from 2, and B to the 5th, which is 1 up from 4. And then a 1, A to the 0, B to the 6th. The last thing I have to do is simplify. Because if you notice, B to the 0 is 1, A to the 0 is 1. So it looks like this more simplified, which is A to the 6th plus A to the 6th plus 6A to the 5th B plus 15A to the 4th B squared plus 20A cubed B cubed plus 15A squared B to the 4th plus 6A B to the 5th plus B to the 6th. Notice there's no 0 powers and there's no 1 powers because we always just ignore them. Now you should try check 1. A plus B to the 8th power. Push pause right now so you can work on it. The answer to this is the following. It is also in the back of your book.